Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss or learn about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. First of all, let's see what this theorem states. This theorem states every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. This is the statement of the theorem. It can be asked in 1 mark in exam, but it is the basic theorem. You should know what is the meaning of this theorem. So let us take one example to understand this theorem. I have taken 72 and we have done its prime factors. You all know how to do this one. We have done this prime factors. So the prime factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So we can write like this. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you can see here 72 is composite number, and here on the right hand side you can see these are prime factors of 72. Now question is that what is the meaning of apart from the order which we have seen here, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur? What is the meaning of this sentence? Let's see. 72's factors we have written 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So can we change the order? If you change the order, we can write 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here also if you multiply 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18, 18 to the 36, 36 into 2 will be 72. So we have changed the order. We can write like this also, 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In that case also there will be no change in the factors. Here multiplication sign will come. We can write 72 like this also, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Or we can write 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 like this also. So what we have seen here, we can say, or we have seen here that the factors of a composite number are unique or same. Unique means same. We can only change the order of the prime factors. We cannot change the prime factors. Here we cannot write any other prime number because this 72 can be divided only by 2 and 3. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I think you have understood. If you have understood, you can share with your friends. Thank you, students.